Good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah be upon you. Today's topic basic if clauses. What is if clause? So, once you examine this example, if I meet him, he will help me. What is the example? If I meet him, he will help me. So here, if I meet him, this is called if clause. After comma, you can see he will help me. This is called main clause. Okay. What is if clause? Clause that has if in itself is called if clause. What is if clause? The clause that has if in itself is called if clause. And what is main clause? Main clause is nothing but the remaining part. It means the remaining clause of the conditional sentence is called main clause. So if clause is also known as conditional clause. If clause is also known as conditional clause. It expresses a condition or cause. Reason. Cause means what? Reason. So, there are two parts in a conditional sentence. There are two parts. What is the first one? If clause and main clause. What is if clause? A clause that has if in itself is called if clause. Main clause, the remaining part of the sentence or the remaining part or the clause of the conditional sentence is called the main clause. Now examine the second example. If he work hard, he will pass. So if he work hard, this is called if clause. He will pass. This is main clause. Now one thing you have to note: if the verb in the if clause, is in simple present, okay, is in simple present or in present tense. You can see meet is V1. Already I thought V1, V2, V3, V4 tenses. So if the verb in the if clause, this is verb. Okay. If the verb in the if clause is in present tense, the other clause, it means the main clause is in which tense? It uses the simple future, that is will or shall plus V1. Help, here you can see help in the example. Help is V1. Helped V2, V3. So he will help me. Main clause, here what we have? Future tense. Okay, simple future. Now see this example once again. If I meet him, he will help me. If he work hard, he will pass. So if clause, if it comes before the main clause, what we should use? Comma. Here also I use the comma. Okay. Suppose if it comes after the main clause, no need to place any comma. If clause can be placed before or after the main clause. If clause is placed before or after the main clause. If it comes before the main clause, we should use comma. If it comes after, no need to use any comma. For example, if she walks fast, this is if clause. She will catch the bus. See here. So if clause, if it is in simple present, so the main clause, it will be in simple future or future tense. So if she walk fast, she will catch the main bus. Bus. It is main clause. So if clause, here it comes before the main clause. So we should place comma. Okay. Now you examine this example, or you can write she will catch the bus if she walk fast. Here the same example. If she walk fast, she will catch the bus. So if clause comes before the main clause, so we should use comma. Now you see, first I am starting with main clause. She will catch the bus. It is main clause. clause. If she walks fast, if she walks fast, here I did not place any comma because if clause it came after the main clause. Now you see, if clause, if you look at the trunk of the cut tree, if you look at the trunk of a cut tree, here the sentence start with if. Okay, so it means a sentence start with if clause first. So what I should place? Comma. Okay, here I mentioned comma. See, after tree I mentioned the comma. Then I'll start the main clause. What is main clause? You will find the rings. If you look at the trunk of a cut tree, you will find the ring. So here, if clause, it comes before the main clause. So what I placed here? Comma. Now you see the next example, same example, I'll start with main clause. Okay, what is the main clause? You will find the rings. You will find the rings. After rings, I did not place any comma. What is the reason? Because this sentence start with main clause. Okay, so then if clause. What is if clause? If you look at the trunk of a cut down tree. This is, if you look at the trunk of a cut down tree, this is if clause. See these two examples once again. If you look at the trunk of a cut tree, its sentence start with if clause, so I placed comma. Then main clause. What is main clause? You will find the rings. Now same sentence I will start with main clause. Okay, so this sentence start with main clause. You see, you will find the rings. You will find the rings. It is a main clause. So after the main clause, I did not place any comma. Then I start if clause. If you look at the trunk of a cut down tree, you will find the rings if you look at the trunk of a cut down tree. So this I given some few example for if clause. This is the basic. So based on this if clause, we will solve some examples.